Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to install .crx file in Windows, Mac, Linux and Chrome OS computers. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, say I have one file here. So let me show its properties. So you can see here it's a CRX file, as you can see .crx file, right? So I might be thinking, what is .crx file? So it's nothing but a browser extensions for Google Chrome and other Chromium based browsers. So in order to install this .crx file in Windows, Mac, Linux and Chrome OS computers, what you need to do is firstly just open the file explorer if you're using a Windows computer, and you can see here on the above view, just click on it and just click on this show and just enable this file name extensions, and now just close the file explorer and now just right mouse click on the CRX file, click on some more options, click on rename. Now instead of this .crx, just change it to .zip and hit enter, click on yes. Now we have converted this CRX file into zip file, so now just double click on it and extract it. So finally we have extracted this file. So here is the extracted folder. So you can see tons of files here inside it. Now just open the Chrome web browser, or you can use the Chromium based web browsers like Microsoft Edge, Opera, so and so, but the tricks will still remain the same. So just open the respective browser, and now on the right top corner you can see three dot icons. Just click on it, and now here you can see extension, and you will see here manage extension. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see here developer mode option, just enable it, and now you can see here on the left side load unpack, just click on it. Now select the folder which we have extracted just now and click on select folder. Voila, now you can see we have finally installed this .crx file in our respective Chrome or Chromium based web browser. So you can see here on the above extension, just click on it. Now you can just pin it. Now you can see here. So by using this method you can easily install .crx file in Windows, Mac, Linux and Chrome OS computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.